What them a go do ya now? NEWLINK and the attack now. Bring a old chain setter. NEWLINK.
Bless up my viewers and subscribers. You don't know, so they attacking boss. They are NEWLINK from NEWLINK Production, and now we say attack. Some people, how that rhythm the sound, that rhythm the tough, that rhythm the bad. Well, my viewers and subscribers, the name of that rhythm is called, let me tell you this people, Tropical Depression, courtesy of Damage from Damage Music down in Mobile. And everybody must know Damage Music people. And them are the big producer, you understand, behind all family, blessings, and TJ Rags to Riches. So now, my viewers and subscribers, the producer dropped this banging rhythm. Me I tell the people, I'm listen to you have to say every artist that feature upon the rhythm, my viewers and subscribers. No joke about it. Me I talk about Tamily, me I talk about TJ6, a lot more, Reagan, a lot more people. Okay, but viewers and subscribers, there is one artist upon the rhythm, my people. When me I got telling about we drop a music video with this song, and this artist, my people, who goes by the name of Binelly D0N. Oh my world, oh my precious NEWLINK attack na man. When me say the artist name of people, Binelly D0N. So right now, viewers and subscribers, me not say nothing, you know, but the man drop a video with the song and the title of it called Ride. And me I tell the people, Ride on the Tropical Depression rhythm. So when me I gonna know, viewers and subscribers, but that's gonna leave right now. Me I gonna leave, me I gonna make you watch a little piece of it. I mean about leave NEWLINK. Alright, so watch that little piece of the video, my viewers.
But tell me like we can bust gun. Full up in the ride, it well custom. Man fresh to this street. Anytime when me go, girl want eat we. Yeah, man, fresh like you water from stream. No for them.
Yeah, my people. So you see what the attacking boss are talk about, people. You hear the style of the man have. You hear the voice of the man have. People, me I tell about the artist here. A long time me I talk about him. A long time I had review upon him, people. Because I know so the man definitely need a big spot there in the dance hall. Him forget it, not true. Oh, you mean, people? Well, my viewers and subscribers, the video, you understand what the man drop with the song. I'm telling him, Ride, my people. It go on with a bigger things right now, my people. It a tear down the place. You understand? Because everywhere you turn, people, you could have got in a USA, you could have got in a Canada, all over Europe, people. The people I'm take on to it. And the video, people, I'm not telling a lie. The man them deal with the video we. So what I want you all to do, my viewers and subscribers, honestly, I want you to watch, you understand, the full music video. I want you to leave a comment under the video, people, because what I'm going to do, I'm going to leave a link for it right below in the description, my people. And I have to big up Damage Music, people, behind this, because yo, the man them produce the song, people. And but me know so the artist talented long time, because what I admire most about the artist, people, the man have a unique style, and me not see no artist where you can't come close to the man style. The man thing is really different, you understand? And me have to big up Trelawny the parish too, because the artist out of Trelawny him come from the viewers and subscribers, and the man are going with a bag of things. So Binelly D0N, the people, I want you to take on to the artist, I want you to support the artist, I want you to follow the artist IG, follow the artist Facebook, follow the artist Twitter, people, and remember, subscribe to him VIDE0, my viewers and subscribers, and share the thing, share the music, because Binelly D0N, people, the man, yo, him talented, people. Yo, many people, the man talented. Just please, my viewers and subscribers, check below in the description, you understand, take on to the link, go over the people, view the thing, watch the thing, leave a comment, share the thing. Binelly D0N, Ride upon the Tropical Depression rhythm. Remember, people, this artist, definitely, him no need, him have a space, you know, him have a spot, oh, him have everything in a dance hall. The man ready for the road. Attack, big up on yourself, peace out.